Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Instagram, how to earn money from Instagram, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Now imagine this, you wake up in the morning, open your phone and see a notification. You have earned money. Sounds like a dream, right? But friends, today Instagram is not just for time pass. It has become a powerful earning machine. If you want to know how to earn money from Instagram starting from zero, make sure you watch this video till the end. Number 1. Instagram is a business. First, understand one thing clearly. Instagram is not just an entertainment app. It is a business platform. People who make reels only for likes keep scrolling forever. But those who create reels that solve problems are the ones who actually make money. Number 2. The power of a niche. The biggest secret to earning from Instagram is one niche, one audience. For example, toys and kids product, finance tips, fitness tips, fashion, education. If you talk about everything, people remember you for nothing. But when you become an expert in one problem, money automatically follows you. Number 3. Value before followers. Let's break a big myth. You do not need 100,000 followers to earn money on Instagram. The truth is, even 1,000 real followers are enough. Just remember one rule. Every reel or post must give value, education, solution or recommendation. Number 4. 4 ways to earn money from Instagram. Number A. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products and earn commission on every sale. Platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, they provide you affiliate program. Add the link in your bio, make reels and earn money on every sale, even while you are asleep. Second way is brand collaboration. When your page starts growing, brands message you directly. You can earn anywhere from 2,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees for a single reel, just for honest promotion. Thirdly, sell your own product or services. The most powerful method, sell your own product, PDFs, courses, toys, consulting. Profit is yours, control is yours. The fourth way, traffic funnel strategy. Use Instagram to send traffic to YouTube, your website or WhatsApp store. Instagram is the highway. Your income source is the destination. Number 5. Mistakes that stops you. Avoid these common mistakes like random content, fake followers, lack of consistency, no clear call to action. Remember, your audience matters more than the algorithm. Number 6. Simple 30-day action plan. Now let me show you a 30-day action plan. For the next 30 days, do only decide your niche, create a professional bio, post one reel daily, add a clear CTA, reply to comments and DMs. That's it. Money from Instagram does not come overnight, but those who don't quit always win in the end. Subscribe to the channel and comment below.